What is going on, traders? It is James Lee here from Celestin Capital, and welcome to episode 11, guys. It is officially episode 11. We are 11 days into this challenge, and yeah, let me show you guys the current standing. Uh, we are currently down 2.1% on the account. Here is the balance right here, 97.9. Again, down 2%. The GCAD trade that we took on Friday, it did not go well. I'm going to go ahead and log this trade. I haven't done so yet. But I'm going to log this trade in and see what I could have done better with this trade. So again, we got stopped out on GCAD, which brought us down to a 2.1% drawdown. So, guys, we're only looking up from here. No worries. We've got, again, as I told you guys before, we have about 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks to make 12%. Or I think FTMO came out with a new rule actually. So if we can at least get to 5% within if we can get to 5% profit within 3 days of the end of our challenge, we get an extra 14 days. We get an extra 2 weeks. So that'll be perfect for us. But again, we're looking to make 12% in 2 weeks. More than possible, guys. We can do it. We've been working hard for this moment. We've been working hard for moments like these. We do not fold under pressure, guys. We do not fold under pressure. So, let's go ahead and let's jump into some analysis I'm looking at right now. Currently, GU broke out of this range that was going on Friday, and you can see it's heading to the downside. Currently in my second zone. I'll probably look for buy confirmation down here. If I don't get buy confirmation, I may take this sell right here from this swing high that you see. So if I don't get some kind of shift of structure with liquidations to the bottom and break a structure to the upside, then if the next few candles just come up here, I'm going to take this sell from here to go lower into this demand zone, to go deeper into this demand zone that I have marked up here. So again, currently looking to sell GU, continue selling GU lower into this demand zone. GCAD, I'm probably not going to touch this pair today unless I get like one of the best entries ever, which, it's not likely. But, we are going to continue to monitor all of our pairs, especially this one, because when you catch GCAD, when GCAD moves like gold. I mean, it's pretty volatile. So right, it's been ranging the past week or so, but once we break out of this range, trust me, GCAD is gonna fly. It's either gonna shoot up or shoot down, and we want to make sure we're on the right side of the market. In terms of gold, currently in a range. I still feel one more push going up to gold. I feel one more push up coming from gold before major sells from this supply zone. Expecting major sells from the supply zone, but yeah, we're looking to position ourselves for a buy up, potentially at some demand zone down here. We're going to look probably for a shift of structure within this demand zone to continue price to the upside and liquidate this high up here. That's all I've got right now. US 30 and Bitcoin. I'm just back testing these two things right now. Yeah, I mean, not back testing, forward testing these two right now. So yeah, don't worry about those two pairs. Gold, GU, and GCAD are the three main pairs that I trade, and I'm going to be sticking with them for, I don't know. They've been working for me, so I'm going to be sticking with them for, I don't know. Only the future can decide. So that's currently what I have right now, guys. Currently my analyses. I will give you guys an update whenever something happens. It is currently 8:20. So we've got about another hour and 10 before and New York opens, before New York starts. So we're gonna continue to monitor these trades, and I'm gonna be doing other things in between, not just staring at the charts the whole time. So yeah, I'll give you guys be back in a sec. Give you guys an update whenever something happens or whenever I am seeing some kind of movement within the market. All right, guys, I've been taking a look at structure and on GCAD, and there's actually a clean trade that could potentially play out. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. So what we have here, structure forming, right? You know, we got this last high, low, and this is currently the range that we're working with. Well, let me go back really quick. Let's delete this. So we have structure right here. We have this high and this low right here. So this is the current range we're working within, right? This is the current range. So anything between this range is just liquidity forming on both sides of the market. So until we actually break out of that range, it's just liquidity forming. When do we break out of that range? This huge impulse right here. We break several structure highs. We break this high and we break this high up here. So where was the cause of that break? This swing low right here, or this, you can take the entire order block or demand zone, if whatever you want to call it. You can take that this area right here to take it to continue to the upside, because again, this is the last low that broke out of the range, broke several structure highs. So what can we expect? We can expect price to come back and mitigate this area. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Tap into here to continue buying up. So right now, this is the current range that we are within. And because price is bullish, we are going to take buys. And if price breaks this low with a candle close below it, then you can anticipate continuation of bearishness potentially, right? So yeah, that's currently what I see right now in GCAD, and if this trade plays out, should be a nice should be back in profit in terms of our balance on FTMO. This is a nice 1 to 11. I may not hold it the entire time, but we'll see how price reacts. I'm looking for it to fill in this imbalance that you see right here. I'm going to take the low of the imbalance for it to fill in. So that's my TP, which is 1 to 11 again. It's 133 pips about. So yeah, stop loss about 13 pips. On MetaTrader, it's 13 pips. Take profits about 132, 33 pips. So yeah, waiting for this trade. So far, that's the only thing I see. Gold right now, still within the range that we are currently looking at. But yeah, that's it. GU still hasn't formed any structure for buy side for buys. So I'm just gonna wait on this and yeah, give you guys an update whenever something happens. Be back in a sec. We're about 27 minutes from market open, so yeah, give you guys an update as soon as I can. We are back, guys. We have this impulsive move on GCAD, and we're looking to take this swing low that you see right here to the upside to take it up, because this is now our new low that broke high. This is currently our range between this and this right here. So yeah, we're going to use this swing low to get in on the market, but I'm going to leave my this right here just to forward test to see what happens at this area later on if it comes back down here at some point. So we're going to move this up, and we're going to do something like this. We are going to put a buy limit just because I don't want to sit in front of the markets and watch it all day. Not that I've been doing that, but I just don't want to do it. I don't want to have to worry about the market, think about the markets. So we're going to put a buy limit right now, and you guys can watch me do that. So this area is no longer of interest for now. We're going to use this right here. Here's how we're going to do it. So we've got this right here. So 10, about a pip of spread. So 11 pips. Stop losses would have been 10 pips, but because spread, we have to add another pip or so. Well, let me check the spread really quick. Let's see. Yeah, the spread on GCAD, we'll do 1.5 pips. 1.5 pips. Yeah. So this is going to be our stop loss right here. It's going to be 11 pip stop loss. So we're going to base our, let's see, 170. 170
0.073. So because we have, say 12 pip stop loss, so say 500, which is how much we're willing to risk, which is 0.5% divided by 12. So there's going to be a lot size, 4.16. We're just going to do 4.1. So we're going to do 4.1 for lot, and at the price, we are going to, so about that much for spread. So we'll make sure it taps us in 0.70205. So that's where we are right now. All right, so I placed the buy limit. Our take profit's gonna be, we're taking this to moon, guys. No, not all the way up, but we are going to take this to this imbalance over here. So we're going to use that as our TP. That is 1.71222. All right, so we are good. We are good. We're expecting to be filled in. Again, the reason I took it, you can see this nice impulsive break above this last high. Beautiful break. Beautiful break. BOS up. So, yeah. All right, that's all we got right now. This gold trade, I was just forward testing it. So I'm gonna log this into a forward test. I was using this 1 minute order block that you see right here. Nice entry. It was like a 1 to 5 or something. 1 to 5 4, but it ran a 1 to 7. But I used this flow right here as my take profit. GU, nothing on GU, absolutely nothing. We're gonna look maybe for a break structure this high because it's in my buy zone. Wait to see what happens at a break structure this high. BOS up. Yeah, and I'll give you guys an update in well, whenever something happens. So as you can see, I showed you guys, put a buy limit on GCAD, and we're expecting to be filled and for price to continue upside. Well, not that to happen, but this, for price to continue to the upside. So yeah, be back whenever something happens. Back with an update for you guys. I haven't gotten into any trade. This GCAD trade is working its way back to our entry point. So I'm also going to be wary. I'm also trying to be wary to see, as you can see right here, this the time. The rollover spread starts at 5 o'clock, and that's when spread starts to get huge. On GCAD, I think it gets up to like 10 pips. So I do not want to be, I do not want to enter into the trade around that time. So when it hits around 4:40, I may just cancel this buy limit and then place it back around 6 or 6:30, which is when the spread goes back to normal. So yeah, this is a trade that I'm looking to catch. This Bitcoin trade didn't work out, or US 30. This is just a forward test. This is, as I told you guys, this is a trade that that is highly probable for me, and so I'm going to play around with it and see how I can get this buy limit back if I don't get in before 4:40, 4:45 around that time. So I'll give you guys an update in the next video. I'm gonna call it a day for today. I want to make sure you guys get this video and you guys see exactly how I trade from day to day. See, I'm not forcing anything. There weren't any trades on GU. It currently just broke structure to the upside, but there's nothing for me to do right now. It's currently not even time, not the best time to trade. Nothing serious going on. So yeah, on gold, this forward test worked out. It was very nice. It was like a 1 to 5, as I told you guys before. But yeah, I'll continue to monitor GCAD and give you guys an update whenever I can. I'll see you guys in the next one. Give you guys an update then.